Welcome to Techno Trend Zone. We have some groundbreaking news that could redefine smartphone battery technology forever. Recent reports indicate that Samsung, the South Korean tech giant, is working on a revolutionary battery upgrade for its upcoming Galaxy S26 series. This change could bring one of the most significant advancements in smartphone battery technology we've seen in years. Samsung is reportedly developing a monstrous 6,000 mAh to 7,000 mAh battery for the Galaxy S26 lineup, along with game-changing advancements in charging speeds and efficiency. This move is part of Samsung's broader strategy to stay ahead in the ever-competitive smartphone industry, where battery life has become a key differentiator. The next-gen battery. Silicon-carbon technology. At the heart of this transformation is silicon-carbon battery technology, which represents a major leap over conventional lithium-ion batteries. According to sources such as FN News, Samsung is actively researching and developing this technology to incorporate it into its flagship Galaxy S26 models. But what makes silicon-carbon batteries so special? How silicon-carbon batteries work. Traditional lithium-ion batteries rely on graphite-based anodes to store and release energy. However, silicon-carbon batteries reduce the reliance on graphite by integrating silicon into the anode structure. This results in higher energy storage capacity, leads to longer-lasting battery life, faster charging speeds, as silicon allows for quicker energy absorption, improved efficiency, making the batteries more durable over extended use. By adopting this next-gen battery technology, Samsung aims to compete with and even surpass the battery capabilities offered by Chinese smartphone manufacturers, such as Xiaomi, Vivo, and ZTE, which have already introduced 6,000 mAh to 7,000 mAh batteries with 80W to 100W fast charging. How Samsung plans to compete in the battery wars. The smartphone industry has been experiencing a shift toward larger battery capacities and faster charging speeds. Many top-tier competitors are already integrating high-capacity batteries into their flagship devices. According to Digital Chat Station, a well-known industry insider, the coming year will see flagship smartphones featuring 7,000 mAh batteries with over 100W fast charging, while mid-range smartphones may go even further, reaching 7,500 mAh to 8,000 mAh capacities. Samsung, however, has always been known for its focus on safety and reliability. Unlike some brands that push the limits of battery technology at the cost of safety, Samsung takes a cautious and calculated approach to ensure that its batteries are safe, long-lasting, and optimized for daily use. Internal sources from Samsung confirm that while the company is actively researching silicon anode technology, there are still concerns regarding battery longevity and stability that need to be addressed before mass production. A Samsung representative recently stated, "Using silicon anodes increases capacity but raises longevity concerns, so improvements are needed." While nothing is finalized, we are actively exploring multiple solutions. This means Samsung is not only looking to increase battery capacity but also working to enhance battery lifespan and reliability, ensuring a long-term, risk-free solution for consumers. How this upgrade benefits Galaxy S26 users. If Samsung successfully integrates 6,000 mAh to 7,000 mAh batteries into the Galaxy S26 series, users can expect several key advantages. Longer battery life, significantly extended screen-on time for gaming, streaming, and multitasking without worrying about recharging frequently. Faster charging speeds. Samsung may introduce 100W plus charging technology, allowing users to fully charge their phones within minutes. Increased power efficiency. Silicon-carbon technology will ensure better power retention, making the battery last longer between charges. Greater reliability. Samsung's strict safety measures will prevent issues such as overheating or rapid battery degradation. Why this move is crucial for Samsung. Samsung's decision to push forward with silicon-carbon batteries isn't just about improving battery life. It's also about maintaining dominance in the smartphone market. Chinese brands have been rapidly advancing in battery technology, challenging Samsung's position as an industry leader. If Samsung successfully integrates this next-generation battery technology, it will set the stage for even more innovations in the Galaxy lineup. Furthermore, battery performance is one of the biggest factors influencing smartphone buyers today. A 7,000 mAh battery with ultra-fast charging could give Samsung a competitive edge over Apple and other rivals that have been slow to adopt high-capacity battery solutions. Expected release and final thoughts. The highly anticipated Galaxy S26 series is expected to launch in early 2025, And if Samsung's plans come to fruition, this could be one of the biggest breakthroughs in smartphone battery technology to date. While the final specifications and battery capacities have yet to be confirmed, the potential for a 6,000 mAh to 7,000 mAh battery with cutting-edge silicon carbon technology is truly exciting. As always, we'll keep you updated with the latest developments on Samsung's innovations and other major tech news. If you want to stay informed about the latest leaks, rumors, and exclusive updates on the Galaxy S26 series, make sure to subscribe to Techno Trend Zone and turn on notifications so you never miss an update.